Hello everyone, my name is Christina and I am 9 years old. I am so happy to meet you. Today I am going to speak about Annual Contest 1. Please enjoy my speech. Hi Emily, how are you? Not bad things and you are great. Meet my friend. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is Zio. I am Emily. Who is this? This is Zio. He's from Korea. Hi, nice to meet you, Jiho. Welcome to America. Good afternoon. This is Zio. He's from New Student. Hi, Jiho. 안녕하세요. What does that mean? That means hello in Korean. Hola, that means hello in Spanish. Namaste, that means hello in Hindi. Bonjour, that means hello in French. Next week is spring vacation. That's why we are having an annual contest. Let's work together. Sounds like fun. Thank you.